hope that you are well and enjoying your solitary time if you're alone in your home. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been trying to make more Tantra videos, but there's been a lot of distractions even though I'm home all the time. Today I want to talk about solo practice, which is what I'm all about. Solo Tantra. Now that we are, most of us, alone in our homes, we have plenty of time to practice solo. The most important practice is practicing alone, doing our yoga specific for our body, all alone at our homes, and learning to relax even more. There can be a lot of distractions even in the home to stop you from practicing. But it can be done. If I can do practice with a crazy puppy at home, then you can practice as well. Solo time is what I'm all about, practicing alone. It's good to go out and practice yoga in groups sometimes at studios. It can be fun, but the real practice is doing what is right for our body, things we learn from our teacher, or once we know what is right for our body, doing what is right, being our own teacher. And Tantra should always start alone. So before we go on doing practices with a partner, we begin solo, and there are thousands of practices, lifetimes worth of practices. Sorry for the crazy puppy in the background. I just wanted to make a little video saying I am still around and hopefully encouraging you to do solo practice, whether it's online yoga videos, online Tantra yoga, or online studying of Tantra through YouTube or my website, or having your own practice that is right for you once you learn how to do that. So thanks for tuning in.